This is going to be a helpful burrito video for just about anybody. This is how to roll your own giant burrito. Sometimes when you put too much stuff in there, it seems kind of daunting, right? It's actually a lot easier than some people make it out to be. So, you know, first thing you want to do is put your stuff in there. We season that beef with this right here. It's pretty damn good. Alright, so I got my meat in there. Get my sour cream up in here. This will moisten it as I fold it later. This is our black bean and corn salsa that we made in the previous video. Go check that out because this is some easy stuff to make. It's so good too. Ain't it good, Thomas?
It's fucking delicious.
I'm here with Way Too High. Go check out his channel. Do not use that. It's hot. This is one of the best sauces in the world. In fact, it's one of the few sauces that, like, you go to Taco Bell and get it and it's the exact same thing. How often do you, like, buy a sauce that's supposed to be this and it turns out to be that? Yeah, that's no good. It's no bueno. Alright, gonna put in cheese. Oh yeah, real yummy like. I'm gonna throw in a little bit of lettuce. Just a little, because I don't like a lot of lettuce in my big giant ass burrito. And you know those crispy onions crispy fried onions you put on your casseroles? Look at that, crispy fried jalapenos. Definitely going a little crispy in here with that. Oh, they're not too spicy either. So, you know, if you can't handle the heat. If you don't like spicy stuff, try this sauce, the bomb. It's perfect for those of you who are weak. Alright. I feel like I'm missing something. Nope, not that. Can never make up my mind. So many yummy choices. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Like this was supposed to be how to wrap a burrito, not how to load it all up. Anyway, get some of that sauce in there. However you prefer to load your burrito. So first thing you do is fold this over. You want to keep tucking in your sides. Otherwise, it'll fall apart and get all floppy, and nobody likes a limp burrito. And then you gonna have to eat it. Oh, enjoy.